Welcome to LEDLUCKY's SMT workshop, a fully automated production line built for precision, speed, and reliability. Here, every step reflects our commitment to quality and consistency. LED modules enter the conveyor system and are guided through a streamlined process. Solder paste is applied with uniform pressure, ensuring a stable foundation for each component. High-speed pick-and-place machines handle thousands of LEDs per hour, each one placed with micron-level precision. Reflow soldering binds the components under tightly controlled thermal profiles, forming durable, reliable connections. After cooling, automated glue dispensing prepares the board for optical assembly. Lenses are mounted by robotic arms, aligning each one with mechanical accuracy. A second-time reflow ensures the entire structure is solidified and production integrity is maintained. Every finished LED modules undergoes 100% quality inspection, a standard we uphold without compromise. At LEDLUCKY, automation is not just efficiency, it's a guarantee of excellence. Each LED module is placed vertically, carefully handled to protect every LED before it moves on to the next stage.